Using data validation. Data validation means to restrict the user to enter a specific range of values in a particular cell or a range of cells. Perform the following steps to use data validation. 1. Select the cell or a range of cells on which you want to apply data validation. 2. Click on the Data tab. 3. Click on the Data Validation command. 4. Select the whole number option from the Allow drop-down list. 5. Enter 0 or 100 values in the minimum and maximum text boxes respectively. 6. Select the Input Message tab. 7. Type Data Validation in the title text box. 8. Type Input Message in the Input Message text area.
9. Select the Error Alert tab and type the error message in the error message text box. 10. Click on the OK button.
Now, if you enter the number which is not in specified range, you will get an error message as shown.